goes up against Cagayan. Navy against FU at 4, and at 6 it's Army against Sandugo. And we'd like to turn you over to the third member of our panel, Michelle Datuin. What do you have, Michelle?
Sabi ni Coach Roger Gorayev, sa kanina, nagkwentuhan kaming dalawa. Ang statement niya sa akin is, relax lang daw siya, but everybody is a threat. Nung tinanong ko siya kung ano ang feeling ng 2-0 sa standings, pero sinabi din niya na confident siya na papasok sila sa top 4. Mag-iipon lang daw sila ng panalo kahit walang twice to beat advantage. And just like the other teams, bago pa lang daw sila nagkakasama-sama dahil dumating daw si Utaywan at Jeng ng Wednesday ng gabi last week. So Thursday lang daw sila nabuo. They are not yet familiar with each other, but Coach Gorayev relies on their experience on court. So Coach said that he still needs 2 players para daw makompleto yung lineup. Isang center at isang utility spiker. Sabi niya kung 100% daw ang performance nila palagi, okay na sana yung team ngayon. But he wants to make sure na may spare bullet siya just in case magka-emergency sa team. Back to you guys.
Iyan na nga sabihin ko. Try out na tayo.
Ano gusto mo? Center or utility?
Center.
Sige, ako utility.
Pareho kasi tayong center. Sige, pwedeng minsan ako na lang utility. Sige, kahit ano, mapasok pa tayo dyan.
Pareho iniisip natin.
mga trying hard.
That's right. And you know, really, with this lineup already, Coach Roger, that's just the coach that he is, such a perfectionist. But he still wants more, like fallback, you know?
That's also true because you don't expect the starters to play day in and day out na at this level. So, gusto mo may tama si Michelle, spare bullet.
That's right, and Axel's official outfit of the Shakey's V-League. Wow.
Gusto mo may extra chinelas ka. May extra slippers.
Jeng Boli. Laborte chasing it down. Carpio giving up a free ball. Estilo.
Oh, and Angela Bending getting that angled hit. Tignan mo naman yan, no? Ganyan kapag utility, oh. Parang ikaw lang na rin, oh.
Hindi ako yung nasa stand. Ako nag-ref. Angie Benting. I like her hair. Nice hair. Free ball again. Nene Bautista. Limakulangan. Boli.
Block. Solid block. Closing out the hitters of the Philippine Navy. The hitter of Philippine Navy. So Angela Benting still on the line. Serving for Sandugo.
Actually trailing by 2. Galido.
Rosale. With punch set.
Boli. That did not cross.
Correct call. Philippine Navy's up by 3. At ito na uli si Mayi. Lagi ako tinitingnan yan eh. Huwag ko raw siya apihin on air. So pinipigil ko talaga. Sobrang pigil. Ang hirap Mayi
Sabi mo may respect naman. So another error by Sandugo and Navy increasing their lead 11-7. Rosales serving.
Well, in the second set, Angela Benting with 2 excellent points of her 5 attempts. Bautista with 3 in her 7 attempts.
Decent numbers for them.
Yup, and Jill Costillo really doing well at that libero job. 6 excellent points from the deck of her 8. So 75% partner.
Wow. So parang si Jill is not known na sa libero before.
Ang dami nang inikot niyan. Spiker, sa spiker lang. Pwede naging utility, naging middle, naging setter pa yan.
Really?
At a certain point sa Adamson. Ngayon, libero naman.
Pagkatapos ito, coach na.
Pwede. Yun yung ultimate goal niya.
Alam na niya yung how to play each position. Coach na lang siya. Well, Carpio to Galido, but that does not cross as well. So slowly but surely, Sandugo has actually scored a couple of points, so they're now just trailing by 1, 10 serving 11.
Mata getting in for Galido. Taiwan to serve for Sam to go.
Good serve. Pochina. Roses.
You knew it was coming.
Yeah.
Tapos yung huli pa yung blockers ng Philippine Navy.
Well, it's good to see Roses, no?
Back to in shape.
Yeah, because last conference,
We missed her eh. Yung old Suzanne.
yes. No, because nga, she wasn't playing eh. And now, I think with this conference, she got into shape and, yep, playing well for Sandugo.
Dan, don't look now, partner. Sandugo leading by a lone point.
Up to 1, timeout, Navy.
Yung noon pa, kasi hardball, si Joanne bababa, pero tumulong siya. Ha? Kitang-kita na kanina, sabi mo kami ni Joanne. Dahil ko na lang yung lihit ko kami ng blocking doon, kaya nga umabot. Ha? Minsan kasi yung center blocking natin, hindi makaabol, baka na lang sa bola. Tulungan natin sila dahil minsan mabilis yung play nila, yung set nila. Okay? Bawi ha, bawi. Isang magandang receive. Huwag lang masyadong dikit sa net, Joanne, para mapalusot nila yung ball.
FU Makati is the newest campus of Far Eastern University and is now accepting enrollees for the following degree programs: BS Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more information, call 836-2002 or visit their website www.fu.edu.ph.
FEU in Makati, may mapuwa na rin, di ba?
Yeah.
Getting it closer.
Branching
diba?
out.
Alam mo, iba, di ba? Pag yung malapit ka dun sa malapit ka dun sa school mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung travel time. Easier. Mas maraming aral time niya.
Wish.
Back to the ball game for reception there on Susan.
That's right, and another kill for Suzanne Roses.
Nakakatuwa lang itong mga players ng Navy. May kita sa faces nila eh. They will never give up, never.
Yeah.
They will always try. Napupustrate sila at times, pero look at that dig. Susan easily getting that one.
Laborte. Deposoy.
Oh, and that's going to be a bit wide.
So, substitution right now. Kania in for Deposoy. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Philly. Taiwan, Prochina, Laborte, back to Prochina. Benting to Bolig, to Roses.
Opted for an off speed on free ball given to Santiago. Oh, and Zengoli says enough is enough.
Well, that was a very good set by Rhea de Maculangan, really fooling the blockers. So 15-11 right now for Sandugo. Mata.
That did not make it. Mata on an attack error.
That's right, and it's 16-11. Sandugo ahead in this match. We'll be back.